urge their say. From fields and mills to the nations where we have carried law's new way. Through the storm of doubt our votes rang out, free consent our constant guide. And the torch we raise still clears the haze for the hopeful at our side. From the lab's bright fire and the circuit's wire to the silence beyond the sky, we have charted codes, lit distant roads, dared to ask the reasons why. When new plagues spread and the world knew dread, healing hands crossed every sea. For the lives we share we learned to care, guarding health and dignity. By the banker's pen and the strength of men, we gave bread in a starving year, fed the Allied line with grain and spine, turned retreat to forward cheer. Over trench and tide we stood beside France and Britain's spraying shield, with 1,000,000 strong doughboys marching on to the Western Front's last field. Raise the light, let the world see free, every voice in harmony. From the heart of hope we sing, truth and grace to everything. Hand in hand, through storm or flame, liberty still lies the home of the brave, and the land of the free. When the world in flame caught a humbled name and the axis darkened skies, from Detroit's steel heart to each coastal yard, ships and engines seemed to rise. We were forging field arsenal of democracy, rolling thunder, grain and fuel, driving tanks to war, wings from every shore, liberty our working rule. Through the North Sea storm and Atlantic swarms, freighters kept their guarded lane, while the bombers hum over fortress guns broke the iron grip of chains. From the Norman sand to the Rhineland stand, armies pressed the tyrant back, and across the wide Pacific tide, stars and stripes led freedom's track. Now from every race in a single place, voices blend in one clear song, where the arts we share fill earth and air and our stories all belong. Let the anthem say to a dawning day, we will lead by truth and grace, till the rights of all, both great and small, shine in every distant place. Raise the light, let the world see free, every voice in harmony. From the heart of hope we sing, truth and grace to everything. Hand in hand, through storm or flame, liberty still lights the home of the brave, and the land of the free. Oh, United States, may your open gates and your steadfast courage stand in the halls of peace where Cold War cease, and in hearts of every land be the guiding star to a world afar, not by sword but by the vote, and forever be proud and yet still free, hope's new harbor they invoke.